Hey guys, what is up? Today we are doing a challenge given by my Shefty. So the project it's mediocre, okay? It's not too hard, it's not too easy, it's like have to do it. Okay. Part 1, gather your ingredients. I came up with a nice Korean dish, okay? So what we have as our ingredients are like some seasonings, pork belly, oyster mushroom as our vegetable, of course, rice as our starch. Okay, so I'm basically marinating the pork belly, and then since it's a nice day, I'm gonna be barbecuing it, and then I'm also gonna be grilling the oyster mushroom, which I'll be teaching you guys some techniques and stuff because it's from my chef. Okay, I can't do anything stupid this time. See, it's a really simple recipe. It's like, do what you want it tastes like. Do you want it more spicy? Like, I don't know you, okay? So, yeah. Yeah, okay. Alright, let's go marinate our pork belly now. First off, we have our, not raw cutting board. Okay, so we're gonna prep our, vegetables first and keep it nice and clean. So this has already been washed. Let's just cut this off. Oh no, point deductions. Oh, I forgot to put a rag underneath, you know. Yeah. Okay. So now this won't move. So I have 1 clove of garlic. Let's see. So yeah, you gotta hold your knife like this, get maximum grip. Our garlic is done being minced. Let's go cut our oyster mushroom. So how I like to do this is just cut off the top. We just cut this into strips for easy grilling. Alright. Now, what we have to do is marinate this with some olive oil to prevent stickage, like I was taught. Okay, let's go get some olive oil now. Since it's a Korean dish, no, we're not doing that. Get some sesame oil. And all we're gonna do is pour some in here. Okay. Next, we are gonna add in our mushrooms. So we got our mushrooms right here. Just gonna add it right in. And then add some garlic since we have a lot. Next, let's add some sea salt. Okay, that's good. Now give it a toss. You want to make sure this is coated evenly. How beautiful this looks. Okay, now let's go get our pork belly and slice it. We have our pork belly. I like to use it frozen because it's frozen, you know. Okay, so I like to do 1 inch. Yeah, about 1.5 inch wide. Just gonna cut it into this. Okay, perfect. Now, let's throw it into our metal container that we got. Alright, next off, we're gonna season it. Take 5. Okay, so first off, we are gonna throw some garlic into it. We got some garlic right here, the minced garlic that we just did, into the bowl. All right, next off, we got sesame oil. Right here, sesame oil. I wanna be generous with this. About 1 teaspoon. And then next off, we got our seasoned fermented soybean paste and our gochujang hot pepper paste. And then we got some light soy sauce, and then we got some sugar. So first off, we got our seasoned bean paste. We're gonna put around 1 teaspoon. Next, we got the hot pepper paste, around 1/2 teaspoon, not too much. Next, we got our soy sauce, around 1/4 teaspoon, not too much. Sugar. We're gonna put in around 1/2 teaspoon. to counteract that soy sauce. Actually, I'm gonna put a little bit more. It doesn't look right. So 4 teaspoons more. And then next, let's stir it. Alright, now seal it, and then we're gonna go ahead and marinate for around 30 minutes, and then we're gonna go grill it. Alright guys, our 30 minutes is done. Now let's go barbecue it. And as you can tell, it's not sunny. I don't like barbecuing in the sun because, number one, I get burnt literally, and it's hot, and now it's nice and cool. And it's comforting. Alright, let's go barbecue. Alright guys, since I don't want to start a charcoal grill up and I don't have a gas grill, I'm using an electric grill. Yeah, once this preheats for like another 5 to 10 minutes, I'm gonna start grilling. Okay, first off, we are gonna season our grill with some sesame oil, keep it from sticking. Okay, let's do our pork belly. Alright guys, it is time to flip. Oh, it smells so delicious. Alright, let's give this a flip. Oh yeah, we got some char marks. Surprising. Alright, got some pink Himalayan salt. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Do a overcast salt, and then that's perfect. Alright, hold on. Before I finish this off, I'm just gonna coat some of this on the mushrooms. Then we're gonna flip those again. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. Let's give it a flip. Oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, these are done. Oh, perfect grill marks. So happy. Alright, let's go season it and then finish off the video. Alright guys, I'm tired and let's give this a taste test. Okay. Sesame flavor, on point. Mushrooms are nicely grilled, not overly done. Still has a chewiness of it. Okay. Pork belly. Off the bat, 10 out of 10. Amazing. Oh my gosh. Not too salty. Sugar counteracted the soy sauce. Highly recommend you guys trying this. Amazing. Well guys, that is it. Challenge successfully done. Definitely rate it 8 out of 10. Could have done better. Flaws were grill marks. But, you know, electric grills, new thing, so give it some time. I'll definitely put more seasoning on the mushrooms next time. Maybe the same seasoning of the pork belly. It was amazing. Well, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.